It's a great pleasure to have you in my kitchen today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my space. So I'm going to share with you how I prepare my second favorite food. I love it so much that my husband calls me Yamaha, and my mother-in-law always tells me that she's not going to give me any gift apart from yam whenever she visits. That is just by the way. Let's get straight to the point. So I have my yam here. I'm just going to peel off the skin. I got a lot of comments from people who are not my followers or my subscribers that why is it that I won't wash the yam before peeling the skin. But the reason is that I react to it, and I did it once, and I'm not going to do that again. I will never wash my yam before peeling the skin. So please, when you are commenting under our videos, okay, anyone's video, know that we are different people and we all like something different. You can tell us how you prepare yours so that we learn from you. We are learning from each other, okay? But don't tell us to prepare our food like how you prepare your food or how you prefer it, okay? So after watching this video, please let me know how you prepare your fried yam in the comment section, and I'll be very grateful to learn from you. Thank you so much for your understanding, and please remember to think twice before leaving comments under anyone's video. I'm going to cut this into the sizes that I want, and then we are good. Go. We are at 4K subscribers and then 30K followers on Facebook. Hooray! Congratulations to us, and thank you so much for being part of this journey. I do appreciate it, okay? And a very big thanks to a subscriber who got me a microphone and tripod stand. You see, the tripod stand, if you boom is so I have to sell some of my tripod stands. I have a lot. Thank you so much, Doc, for giving me the gift. Okay, thank you. So after I'm done cutting, I'll just go ahead and wash my yam very well, and then we proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Have you subscribed or followed? If you haven't, can you please do me a favor by subscribing or follow for more videos? I'll be so glad. Now I'm done washing, and I'll go ahead and add my turmeric. Someone was telling me in my comment section that it is not necessary to add turmeric to it. Please, when you are preparing yours and you don't like it, you can omit it. But this is very healthy, okay? And you can research about it. So I added some salt to it and let this stay in the water for about 10 minutes, and then we are good to go. So we can't have our fried yam without our fried fish or any proteins. So I'm just going to clean up my fish very well, and then we proceed. Thank you so much for your beautiful time, and I do appreciate it. So I will peel off the scale, and when you use the spoon, it really helps, okay? It really helps, and your kitchen will not be messy, okay? Now I'm done with everything. I will just go ahead and add my salt to it, and then add some fish seasoning. Let it stay in the water for 20 to 30 minutes, and then strain the water from it, okay? After straining it, now this is how it looks. I'm just going to coat it with my all-purpose flour, and then refry it. Thank you so much. Are you still with me? I love you so much for always spending your time with me. I do appreciate it. Now I will strain this as well, and then we will fry it. If you want to fry it separately, you can do that, but I'm going to use the same oil to fry my fish, okay? So if you don't want it, that is fine, okay? I sometimes separate it, but now that I don't have anywhere to go now, I will just put it in the same oil, and it was perfectly made, okay? So now our fried yam is ready. Just look at that beautiful crispy yam. I paired this with my shito. I have the recipe on my channel, and my red pepper sauce, okay? Someone requested for how I grind my pepper. I've thought about that. I'll bring it to you very soon, okay? food is ready. Just get some chilled water or your juice and enjoy it. Sleep under the fan and mind your business, or behave like a missus, okay, or the madam of the house. Do you get that? See you in the next video. I love you, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is actually free. I love you. Bye.